Good afternoon, students. Today, depreciation account, unit 10. Last class we are discussed about straight lining method sum. Depreciation means one important definition or in quarter. Depreciation is a gradual and permanent decrease in the value of asset. Depreciation is decreasing every year, asset value decreasing, that is depreciation value. The depreciation, different methods of depreciation. First one is straight lining method or fixed method or original cost method. The straight lining method, fixed method, original cost method, you one time you calculate depreciation value is fixed throughout the 10 years, whole year or 5 years, 3 years, fixed. One time you calculate some amount of depreciation value, 10% or 10,000 rupees means 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, whole year, full and full, same value only. Next one, second method is written down value method or diminishing balanced method. Written down, very very important. Second method, written down means first year you calculate 1000 rupees means second year calculate again one time you calculate means 900. Third year, after third year you calculate 800. After fourth year you calculate 800. Every year decreasing. Diminishing means decreasing. Every year the depreciation value is decreasing. Okay, but fixed installment method means one time you calculate one amount means 5 years, 3 years, 10 years, 15 years means only one amount only. 1000 rupees means for 10 years 1000 rupees only. But diminishing method yearly reducing the value. First 1000 rupees, first year 1000 rupees means second year 900, third year 800. Every year decreasing the diminishing amount, decreasing the amount every year decreasing. Okay, that is diminishing balanced method. Okay, listen students. Already sum number 1, 2, 3. Everybody you finished. Next one, page number 2210. Listen students, this diminishing balanced method, one example, the depreciation value is, first one is everybody you read first question, you first carefully you read which date asset purchase, which date asset sold. That is very very important concept only this sum. Okay, first you example 1/1/2012 a firm purchased a machine cost 1 lakh. Depreciation charge 10%. Written down value method. Written down means diminishing balanced method. Diminishing balanced method means depreciation value every year decrease only. Okay, method for the 5 years. 5 years means you calculate 1 lakh by 10 into 100. percentage means that is first year percentage is 10,000 only. First year percentage 10,000. First you write cost of asset. Cost of asset means asset value is 1 lakh less first year depreciation value is 10,000 rupees. Okay. You 1 lakh minus 10,000, answer is 90,000. Second year depreciation value 2013, decreasing the value 90,000. 90,000 again one time you calculate depreciation value every year decreasing. 90,000 into 100 by 10 equal to, answer is 9,000. 9,000 depreciation value, 90,000 minus 9,000 by, answer is 81,000. Listen students, every year decreasing the value. Okay, you every year decreasing the value, that is diminishing balance method. Listen everybody, you carefully. Depreciation value means every year depreciation value is reduced only, but fixed installment method every year fixed 1,000 rupees. First time you calculate means 1,000 rupees, next year, but this sum every year diminishing only. Okay. Okay, listen students, next illustration 5. Okay, illustration 5, no illustration. Listen students, calculate the amount of depreciation and depreciation rate of following by using straight lining method. Straight lining method means fixed installment method. Also given the journal entry from first 2 years. The book closed on 31st December. Listen students, first you value you calculate. Asset value is, original asset value is 1 lakh rupees. Next, transportation cost 1,000 rupees. Installation cost 9,000. Scrap value 5,000. Life 10 years. Listen students, installation charge and transport cost is added in asset value. Added means how much amount? 1 lakh plus 10,000 rupees plus 9,000. Added means our total is 1 lakh 10,000. 1 lakh 10,000. Original cost value is 1 lakh 10,000 minus 5,000 scrap value. Scrap value means depreciation value is 5,000 by 10. Life is 10 years. 0 0 cancel means 1 lakh 10,000 minus 5,000, 1 lakh 5,000 by 10. 0 cancelled means 10,500. That is first year value. Okay, this first year value calculate means you calculate next 2-3 years you same value only you follow. Okay, one time you calculate means afterwards you do not calculate. One time you calculate only over in fixed installment method, but diminishing balanced method or written down method is every year again newly calculating the depreciation value. Okay students, listen everybody, this everybody you thorough formula is very important. The sum is 3 marks sum. Everybody you thorough one journal entry format. Journal entry format. Listen students, one sum is journal entry, one sum is ledger. Already you studied fourth lesson, journal and ledger same, that only. Journal means single side paper, ledger means you write double side paper. Everybody you follow, everybody you read theory part. Okay students, next live class I explain journal entry. Okay, thank you students. Next class we will discuss next one, new method of sum. Okay, thank you.